Welcome to our tutorial on how to clear Discord cache on your Android device. Discord cache can sometimes accumulate and cause issues with the app, so it's important to know how to clear it. First, navigate to your device's settings. This can usually be found in the app drawer or by pulling down the notification bar and tapping on the gear icon. Next, scroll down and find the Apps or Applications section and open it. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list until you find Discord and tap on it to open the app settings. Once in the Discord app settings, tap on the Storage option. This will show you how much storage the app is using, including the cache. Finally, tap on the Clear Cache option at the bottom right of the screen. Confirm that you want to clear the cache, and that's it. Your Discord cache has been successfully cleared. Clearing the cache can help improve the performance of the Discord app and resolve any issues you may be experiencing. So remember to regularly clear the cache to keep Discord running smoothly on your Android device. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy Discording!